Hey there everyone, today we have another cool product to review, the ALLPOWERS R600 portable power station. If you're someone who loves outdoor activities or needs a reliable backup power source, this might be just the perfect solution for you. The power station comes with optional bundle which features a 100-watt portable solar panel. We have a dedicated app, tons of power outputs, so definitely got a lot to cover. And let's dive right into the details. So once you order the R600 power station, it will arrive in this package. First we find the warranty and the user manual. The R600 power station comes with 5-year warranty, which is just awesome. Nowadays we rarely see products with over 1-year warranty and let alone 5 years, so definitely a nice thing to have. The user manual is detailed, and if you purchase the R600 I advise you to thoroughly read it as there's a lot of useful information. Next, in this bag we have the AC fast charging cable. The ALLPOWERS R600 supports fast charging and it can charge from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. We also get a set of XT90 solar panel cable if you choose to charge the power station via a solar panel. As I mentioned earlier, I have the bundle that also includes 100-watt solar panels, and we'll be testing how that works in just a minute. Last but not least, we got the R600 power station itself. Now, the first thing I notice is its compact size. It's smaller than I expected, which makes it perfect for taking on your outdoor activities or using it as a backup power source or simply as a UPS. Before we go any further, let's discuss the power station's main features. First and foremost, the R600 uses a lithium iron phosphate battery. For those of you who aren't familiar, unlike typical lithium-ion batteries, lithium iron phosphate batteries have several major advantages. First, they have longer lifespan, they charge to 100% much faster, and are eco-friendly as lithium iron phosphate batteries do not contain toxic, heavy or rare earth metals like cobalt, nickel or lead. This makes the power station perfect for indoor use as well. Another huge safety feature is that lithium iron phosphate batteries, when subject to dangerous handling such as collision or short-circuiting, won't rupture, explode or catch fire. Lithium iron phosphate batteries also do not suffer from any memory effect from incomplete discharge before recharging. Now back to the specs. The power station weighs 7 kg or 16 pounds, which is reasonable and definitely portable. We have a total of 10 outputs. 2 600 watts AC outputs, 2 100 watt USB-C outputs, 2 18 USB-A outputs, 120 watts DC outputs, 1 12 volt output and 50 watt wireless charging pad. We also got an LED light. All those ports and outputs can be monitored from the front display, which shows all the important stats such as output and input watts, battery time left and so on. There's also a dedicated app which allows you to customize certain functions of the power station from your mobile device, so that's also a nice little addition. When it comes to charging, the charging ports are located on the right side of the power station. We have a regular AC power in port rated at 400 watts max, and there's also a solar charging input rated at 300 watts max. We'll be testing how fast the power station charges with the solar panel towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Now guys, let's get to the most important part, which is actually testing the R600 power station. First, we'll charge a couple of our smartphones using the AC outlets. As you can see, the power station is charging steadily and providing power to the devices without a problem. Currently, we're drawing around 75 watts. The USB ports can also be used to charge up multiple devices and peripherals, so you definitely got lots of options. Next, let's switch to more power-hungry device such as my Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. On idle, the laptop draws only about 30 to 50 watts, and at this rate the power station would last around 4 to 6 hours, which is really great. When we fire up GTA 5, the power draw jumps to 150 watts, but since this is a 600 watt max power station, we still have lots of headroom in terms of available power. I also tested the ALLPOWERS R600 with my Xbox Series S, which is a bit less power hungry than the Acer Nitro 5 at around 90 watts. This really shows how efficient the Series S really is. In theory, we could power another 5 consoles without a problem. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the ALLPOWERS R600 can also be charged via solar panels with up to 300 watt max solar input. My unit was also bundled with 100 watt portable solar panels, which turned out to work really well. Despite not being able to get perfectly sunny weather, I managed to get around 65 watts of solar input. And at this rate, the power station would be fully charged from 0 to 100% in about 4 to 5 hours, which is actually not that bad. If you were camping, this setup would be a lifesaver. And it would allow you to go completely off-grid and power all your essential devices and appliances. So, I've been testing the ALLPOWERS R600 for a few hours now and it's performing quite well. The battery life is holding up well and it's delivering constant power to all the devices I've connected. Overall, I'm quite pleased with its performance and features. It's a reliable power source for various devices and scenarios, whether you're on an outdoor adventure, experiencing a power outage, or simply need a portable charging solution. And guys, that concludes our video review of the ALLPOWERS R600 power station. If you're in a need for a versatile and dependable power station, this one is definitely worth considering. You can check out the store links in the video description. Thanks for joining us and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.